Sam from Ricon at Naidex 21. This year we're debuting our new powered aluminium ramp. The ramp itself it's available in a variety of different lengths, from 1.7 up to 3.2 metres. It's also available in a variety of widths. The ramp operates with a robust rubberised handset, two functions in and out. Also with an emergency stop button, and we're able to manually operate the ramp in case of any loss of power. The surface of the ramp comes available in this standard aluminium mesh, but it's also available in a mixture of mesh and solid aluminium checker plate, like on the image here. The ramp itself is available as standard with a safe working load of 400 kilos. On greater capacity requirements, we can go up to 600 kilo safe working load. Thank you.